So this is the York package unit AC with the furnace, gas furnace. Drain issue, cracked, so it's sucking the air inside. Yeah, it's a negative pressure. You can see it like this. You see the web suck inside, sucking inside. So this speed trap block this air from going inside, so the all moisture water come into the vents, moisture the filters. And the main issue, and also it's important issue, both compressor, both stages don't have any refrigerant. Let's confirm. Nothing. Zero. Also right here. First stage. This compressor is second stage. This one is the first stage. So refrigerant leak detection service is needed. Condensation trap. So then also it's a 420 by 24 by 2 filters. They are clogged. See even any light. So bad. That's why we have this situation. You can easily tell that the filters are clogged, and the dirty filters, when you open this blower motor section door, it's sucked inside because of too much negative static pressure. The belt is fine. We don't see any oil traces right here. So the system is completely empty. We need to bring the nitrogen tank, make the refrigerant leak test. See, that's what happens when the system, when the filters are dirty. Okay. Drain. Both compressors, both stages leak, filters. Pretty much it for now. So this electrical compartment, everything looks like it's fine in here. Here's both compressors. That's it.